Welcome back, guys. This is the Urus. You guys seen me pulling last week. We have a big announcement and a big update. What I'm holding here on my shoulder, this is actually real cowhide leather made in Italy. We're doing the interior in this brand new Urus. I want to show you guys an update on the wrap that I mentioned to you guys last week. This is the KPMF wrap that we're applying to the vehicle. It looks lovely. It has that greenish yellowish combo. Goes very well with the yellow calipers that we completed. We're actually getting the tires in today. We're gonna put the tires on. We're gonna put those 24-inch Forgiatos on this bad boy as well. As you can see, this car is fully disassembled from the trunk back. Like I mentioned, we're doing the full upholstery, seats, door panels, dashboard. Everything is getting switched up in this car. In the trunk, you know, we're doing a custom sound system as well to go along with it. So this final build of this Urus will be wrapped up, rimmed up in 24-inch Forgies, calipers painted, full interior redone, custom sound system. Everything you can think of is getting done to this Urus. So now I gotta get this leather stuff off me. We're gonna go upstairs actually to the upholstery department, and I'm gonna show you what's going down up there. All right, welcome to our upholstery department. The vehicle came with the factory Urus stitching, and it came white down the middle. Remember I mentioned that the seats were old and dingy. Obviously you guys can tell, and you know, it's white, it's bound to happen. Since we were doing like the yellow calipers, green and yellow wrap, I was like, you know what, yellow would look so much better down the middle with the black on the sides. But we're not doing the ordinary pattern. As you can see, what we're cutting here is a custom yellow diamond stitch down the middle all the way, and it'll all be fully diamond out instead of the original Urus pattern. So it'll give him a more custom look, and it'll be a one-of-one unique look. Also, we're gonna be doing the interior panels, and then you know when we do the custom box, we're gonna do a nice black and yellow combo to complement this build, and it's gonna come out amazing.
Introduce myself, my name is Hov, H to the OV. I used to move snowflakes by the OZ.
Come outside, we found Bruno out here. Mr. Bruno, how you doing? What you working on, man?
The Bentley, no working.
No working.
I put it on the booster.
Oh my God, he got the Bentley outside. The car doesn't start. Came in, it's all chopped up. Bruno's gonna take care of it. He's gonna get it started up for us. Now it's another Monday, and we got another Lamborghini Urus project. This actually came in today. Lovely blue Urus, factory color, and it came with the factory carbon fiber. However, there's always room for more improvements. In the front, we're gonna do a custom blue design on the main grille, and we're gonna actually remove this full piece here, and we're also gonna paint it the same OEM color. This way he doesn't have that cheap textured plastic in the front. I got my guy here, he's grinding down the calipers. Obviously, for one reason only, we're gonna paint these calipers. We're gonna do a lovely yellow finish, and we're gonna do the logo in a blue to match the same factory color. The wheels are off on this car. They come in like a gunmetal gray finish, and you can see they have a lot of curb rash. We're gonna refinish the rims. We're gonna powder coat them in a high gloss black, and then along the edge, we're gonna do a blue pinstripe, same color as the car. Obviously gotta get the full window tint. We're gonna do tint all around 360. We're actually gonna wrap the roof and the roof rails in a gloss black finish to give it a more of a wow effect and a panoramic roof effect. We're also gonna be doing another custom sound system. So this is about, I think, in the last month, 3rd or 4th Urus that we're gonna do a custom sound system in. Took off the muffler tips already. They're gonna get powder coated. This Urus is also gonna get a gold package ceramic pro. We gotta protect this paint and we gotta make it shine. Back here we have the C450 AMG package. As you can see, what I'm holding in my hand is the ceramic pro technology top coat. What this is exactly is, this is the coat that you put after you apply all the 9H, and this is what seals the nano coating into the car and gives it that extra shine. In addition to what we did a full chrome delete 360, including the grille, handles, the window moldings, and everything in the back. And as you can tell, OEM wheels are also powder coated in gloss black finish. So this car looks very nice and clean, and it has a nice trunk wing to go along with it. Simple, pretty, and protected. I'm feeling like Michael Jackson today, and I'm looking like Michael Jackson today, according to everybody here. Say what you said?
I like the fake Michael Jackson.
Damn, everybody's roasting me today. Everybody's calling me Michael Jackson.
You heard?
You know you like it though, right? But let's go inside. This bad boy here is wonderful factory, beautiful lighting, but we know we had to step it up one grade up. That's what I mean right there. We did a full starlight headliner in this bad boy. Multicolor with the push of a button. As you push, the colors change. You could jump the colors and let them switch on their own. And when you cut the fibers as such, it looks as if it's invisible. It looks factory again. You can't even tell there's anything on the headliner. And when you turn it on, bang, it looks like such. Anybody that wants the Starlight headliner, you know where to come. All right, since we're in a star mood right now, I gotta show you this Audi that we're finishing up. Everybody thinks just stars are made for the outside. They're definitely not. Look at how good this looks. And this is very rare. You'll rarely see it. Enjoy this moment. And finally, the big boys completed the all-new GLS 63 AMG. We did a full clear PPF wrap on the vehicle. The car was fully disassembled, so you can't even tell that there's wrap on this car. But the car is protected, and this gentleman just protected his investment. So all of you out there, make sure you protect your investments.
All right, brothers. All right, people in the streets. Welcome to Autosport's Garage Filthy. Next week, brand new. The floor, brand new. Everything, brand new. You're gonna see coming soon.